Hello guys, my name is Sayed Amar and I am current student at Federation University. I'm studying Bachelor's of Information Technology. My student ID is 30356923 and I have been given an assessment on a topic that they gave me a scenario and I have to look at the scenario, I have to analyze what's the problem inside of it, I have to deliver with some solutions. So this is how it's gonna go. So there are 5 steps to be precise if I tell you in a brief way. So first of all, we just have a problem description and followed by analyze the problem, then generating a possible solution, and then we're going to talk about what are the how to analyze. We're going to analyze the possible solutions for that, and then we'll select appropriate solution out of all of the solutions I'm going to tell you for that problem. Now, if I talk about what's the scenario I have chosen in this assessment, that is, in the few past years, there have been a concern about the prisoners being overcrowded, that cause a lot of problems, physical, mental, and others as well. So there is a category like A, B, C, in some cases X, Y, Z in some prisoners. So what they are categorizing, they made a hierarchy, so they can put the prison inside according to their criminal acts or something like that. So I just want to tell you guys about the people that are close to their release from jail that done some low level crimes in the previous. So we quickly gonna go. Basically, if I tell you about my first point, that basically what the problem is. The problem is that the people who are close to their release or who have done the low level crime should be let in the neighborhood and inside the society, so they can live with some rules, regulation, terms and conditions imposed or implement by the law and the officials of that particular state or country. We are living in a modern world, so the trackers is in use. We can put some kind of trackers on the body parts of the particular inmate or a person, so we can track his movements, because we can track his movements and the details that where he is right now, what he's doing right now. So some kind of it, so I have to analyze the what's the problem inside of it. So now if I tell you about the possible solutions for this problem, that we can use different kind of devices or gadget, different kinds of trackers that we can use according to that area or place. So I have come with 5 trackers devices. First, if we talk about the tracker as a watch, tracker as a bracelet, tracker as a necklace, and tracker as a anklet, and a microchip, RFID. So as we analyze these types of trackers, we should have to see some things in it, like the the properties of that tracker. Is instance, if we say that the if we talk about the watch, it can be easily removed if we talk about this watch, but the tracker should be made out of something like carbon fiber that couldn't be able to cut if they try to cut or release them by it. So authorities will immediately get a message or an automated tone recorder inside of that particular gadget speaks and generate a digital warning to a person that is trying, so he can um, stop himself by doing that, and officials can come on time and get his location immediately. I talk about the wristwatches, the wrist trackers and the bracelets. It's got a very like a disadvantage that unbreakable. The people that wear it can easily break it out and damage it. So if we move on to the necklace, that necklace can be more discomfort for the prisoner because we don't know the size of it. So it is also a flop idea in terms of if I see that. Or the anklets can show what's the purpose of that tracker is. So people living in the society will get danger, will live in fear that the prisoner is living among them. So out of it, I'll recommend it as a best solution for it, microchip, because it has, I don't think so it has that much disadvantages other than it's costly. But the particular climate cannot uh, affect it. We cannot remove that easily. We have to go to a doctor or something like that to implant it, and it will cause some more damage to it. But the thing is that this is, in my opinion, the best solution for that. I have interviewed my one of my friends, and he says the same thing. And what he said to me, that what kind of a gadget he wants. So according to his, I want to meet his expectations, I have to go for this option, microchip one, the RFID. It's a modern technology. So this is what I wanted to say in this video. Thanks for watching it, and have a good one.